Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trouble Free. In today's video, I am going to explain you about communication in the subject of organization behavior. In this video, we will learn what communication is, what is the process of communication, and what are the different types of communication we have. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the video. The process of transferring information between sender and receiver through oral or written or visual or electronic media is called communication. In a communication, sender should be there and receiver should be there. They both are communicating with each other. They both are passing information between each other, and that information could be in the form of oral, that is just words, written like in form of letters, visuals like pictures or videos, and electronic media in the sense like emails, whatever it is, whatever you send through internet. Okay, so two people are passing information and that information can be of any form. That is called as communication. Simple, you already know what is communication, but still, as we have to learn a formal definition, we are doing it. Got it? Next, let us see how the process of communication happens. First, sender. So sender wants to send some message to the receiver. Okay, how it comes from sender to receiver? Sender will first encode the message. In cryptography, we have read a model for network security, like first encryption, then decryption. This is so the same. If you're not having that subject, that's okay. Sender will encode the message. For example, sender wants to send hello. Instead of sending hello directly, he will encode, like he will keep 5 1 L $6, like this. Some encoded message will be generated instead of this direct message, so that even if that message is seen by some other person also, that message will not be leaked to the third person. Okay, encoding of the message, and the message is sent through a channel. We need a channel in order to transmit the message, right? So through the channel the message is sent. Once it reaches the receiver's end, it will be decoded, because if this is given to the receiver cannot understand, right? So again it will be decoded. Again the original message hello will be coming, and that message will be given to the receiver. Okay, so on receiving that message, again receiver will give feedback to the sender that I have received a message. Okay, so this is how the process of communication goes on. Sender, encoding, message, channel, decoding, receiver. Okay, and the receiver will send the feedback. Simple, guys. So this is how the process of communication happens. Now let us see what are the different types of communication we have. So moving on to the types of communication, we actually have three types. Okay, first one is based on expression, second is based on flow, and third is based on organization relationships. Okay, so let us see the first one. First, based on expression. Again, based on expression, it is divided into two types: verbal and non-verbal. Okay, in verbal, you know what is verbal? Through spoken or written, oral communication or written communication will come under this verbal communication. That is, you're writing something or you're speaking something. For example, listening, writing, speaking, all will come under this verbal. And again, in verbal also we have two types. First is oral, that is with mouth, and next is written, that is with hand. Okay, simple. So these are the two types we have in verbal. So in based on expression we have two types, right? Verbal and non-verbal. Now let us see what is non-verbal. Non-verbal, simple, based on symbols and signals. You'll be giving facial expressions, like if you want somebody to come near you, you'll be telling it with your eyes or with your face, right? Like that. Gestures, don't come, like you'll be waving your hand, like you'll be asking them, like with hands and gestures you'll be doing signs, body movements, everything. Instead of speaking or writing, you are showing it with the help of some symbols or signals. That is called as non-verbal communication. Okay, next type is based on flow. So based on flow we have three types. In that, vertical, horizontal, and diagonal. Okay, vertical means the flow of information from upwards to downwards or vice versa. For example, in your college, principal is there and you are the student, right? Who is in the higher level? Principal is in the higher level and the student is in the lower level. So the information is passing from principal to student or student to principal. So information is being passed from different levels. So supervisor to subordinate or from subordinate to supervisor, right? Information is not flowing between two people who belong to same level. It is flowing from two people who belong to different level. That is called as vertical communication. Okay, in this also we have two types. Upward means high level to lower level. Downward means low level to high level. Got it? So this is and during this communication, in between also you can have some other people, like a student to professor or lecturer to HOD, HOD to principal, like that. HOD to principal, principal to principal to HOD, HOD to lecturer, and lecturer to student. Like that, the hierarchy should be there. It has to be vertical. Okay, in between two people also, more people also can be involved. Okay, this is about vertical communication. Now let us see horizontal. It is also called as lateral communication. It flows between two people of same level. In vertical, what we have seen, two people of different level. Here same level, that is from student to student, or principal to principal, HOD to HOD, or manager to manager, like that. Two people of same level, information will be passed. Okay, next, diagonal. In diagonal, information flows between two people who are neither from same level nor from same department. For example, a student from CS background, that is a student from computer science background, is going to speak with the HOD of mechanical department. That is, you are not a HOD, you are not from mechanical, but still you are going to a HOD who is from mechanical. That is diagonal. Okay, you are not going to student of CSC, or you are not going to HOD. You are not going to student, or you are not going to CSC HOD. And this HOD is not talking to either a HOD or to either a student of mechanical. Cross communication is happening here, right? So that is why it is called as diagonal communication. Okay, the next type is based on organization relationship. Last one. Simple, very simple. Two types we have in this: formal and informal. Formal means everybody will be there, all we will be sitting, we will be talking, like silent, everybody will be silent. Everybody will be silent when the others are speaking. We are very carefully listening to them and all. Informal means we just casually, how we casually talk, how we casually discuss between friends and all. That is informal. Okay, so this is all about this video. In this video I explained you communication process, and communication types. In the next video I'll explain you about interactive communication. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you're still having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Let's meet up in the next coming video with another topic. Till then, stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. Bye.